Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So this wedge is still continuing, and as I said yesterday, you needed to break through the structure before you took the trade. There was no break through the structure, so it still continued to the downside, and there is our wedge. We are now on a fairly decent level, which is 107.585. Extremely oversold at the moment. I'm still very reluctant to be chasing this short. We have got the crossover now, and it has sort of broken through the 155 EMA, but I'd want to see a move down and then a retest of this before committing to shorts. So if we just get to the weekly level, I want to highlight something here. So there is weekly structure just below that level. So you've got a zone of support here, and now granted we're in between the moving averages. You've got a crossover, bullish crossover here. So this is just typical of when you get between the moving averages. It always does this. You can see here it did it, there it broke, failed to find support for a move up, but once it breaks through the moving averages, as in this bearish move here, you can see again all over the place. As soon as it breaks through the 150 EMA and retests there, then it kind of confirms a trend, and then that's when the trend is set. So that's kind of what we're waiting for. We're waiting to see a move to the upside. We want to get above this 109 to 670 area for a continuation up. Alternatively, we're looking for support here for another move to the top to just form a bit of a range. Now just apply that logic to any of the time frames, and you can see here on the 8 hour we've got a crossover. So I want to see price move below and then come and reject this area. That confirms a short, and you can have the same thing on any of the other time frames. So 3 hour, you can see here, here's the 155, broke down, came up, half-hearted attempt, and confirmed a bit of a trend to the downside. My view at the moment is we are finding a massive area of support here, so I would be very cautious of jumping in at the moment. And we do have a whole host of data today and tomorrow which is going to impact the dollar. So the euro, the eurozone is weird, but nothing really going on there. It's all about the dollar at the moment. So for me at the moment, this is probably just wise to sit back and wait. And the way I'm seeing it, you're probably going to have to take a long weekend, because the indexes are looking rather nasty. This is not looking much better. So yesterday I don't think you could have found an opportunity to the short side yesterday, and hindsight being the perfect science, just look at the rejection of the 150 here on the 30th of November. Look there, nice juicy pin bar off there. I suppose you could have argued either taken that or the break and look for the next logical signal, and the next logical signal would have been a retest of this break. You can see we tried to find support there, then we broke through, came back, and then we tested it with a double top. So jump in there and then hold it, and just keep moving your stop down below or just above one of the tails. I suppose hindsight's always a perfect science, but that's how we learn. We never have what's on the right in front of us. We've only got what's to the left, so we have no idea what's going to happen here. But at the moment, this is too much of a strong support for me to continue if I am looking for shorts to ride this down. However, the break to the upside is going to have to be significant, because I'd want the moving averages to cross over as well here. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of my view. Sit on hands, wait for the data, and then we can have a look to see what's going to transpire. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.